Hello, I'm Paul Tommy with Remax Executive Group. I'm with a couple friends of mine with Hayes Plumbing, Ryan Hayes and Will Lawhorn. And I have a designation called Recommended Local Service Provider. And this is a designation that I've used for vendors that I know, use, and trust. These guys are a member of our local BNI Paysetters chapter. But Ryan, I want him to tell you a little bit about the scope of his capabilities of his company.
Well, we are mostly a service company. We do extensive service work. We will do some remodels. If y'all want to change the bathrooms around, gut them out, go back to something else. We also do additions. If y'all want to add a bathroom to a house or anything of that nature.
Okay, we're standing at one of my investment properties, and these guys over the last 10 months have done about 4 projects over here. We're standing by this pressure reduction project. Would one of you tell about that?
Yeah, Paul had a significant high water pressure on his house, which is number one, bad on the pipes, bad on fill tubes on toilets, faucets leaking. Any of that can happen with high pressure. Code says you do not want more than 85 psi on the house. I think Paul had around 105. We put him a new pressure reducing valve in. As you can see right here, the little green circle box right there, you can't even hardly tell we've been here. And we done dug his yard up and everything.
So what are the scope of other things you've done? I mean, you've done at my house a hot water heater and also a couple faucets, which are kind of routine things. Are there any other capabilities that you guys bring to bear for your clients and customers?
Oh yeah, we definitely can. We've done a lot of leaks under the slab, water lines leaking under the slab, waste lines collapse under the slab. We can go in there, jack up the floor, fix the problem, pour the concrete back, and we do have a guy that can fix your flooring when we're done.
And both of you guys have a number of years of experience in the plumbing field?
Yes.
Okay. And I believe you've had a lot of experience even in new construction?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Well, let's go take a look at the projects that they've done for me inside, then we'll close this out and give you the contact information. Hey Ryan, tell the viewers how they can contact you to line up a service visit or an estimate for their project needs.
Well, there's several different ways. You can always reach us through the telephone at 706-587-1474. You can also reach us through Facebook at Hayes Plumbing LLC. You can also reach us through email at hayesplumbingllc@gmail.com.
Thanks for watching. These guys are first rate. They do a great job. They're always timely and responsible and clean up their mess. They're professional and they give modest bids, and I'm real happy to, I highly recommend Hayes Plumbing to you today. Thank you.